How to make money on YouTube in 2025. In this video session, I'm going to share with you tips and insights if you're considering to earn an income from YouTube. First, if you're just starting out, be willing to put out useful content on regular basis and be patient while you're getting returns from your efforts. There is many different ways you can earn from YouTube. The easiest way as your channel grows is by signing up for Google AdSens for YouTube. You simply read through the agreements. Once your channel is eligible, then every time someone watches your video, you'll get a bit of revenue share. But if you're starting out, don't just create content thinking, oh, you know what, as long as I have the content, I'm going to earn from YouTube. Instead, either use Google search box to find keywords that people are searching for. Because if people are searching for some keywords, then obviously people will view your videos if you create content accordingly. Rank Your YouTube channel shows you how to rank YouTube videos fast. As I've said, to be able to earn from YouTube, there is many different ways. You can sign up for AdSense for YouTube, or as your channel grows, there is many different ways. You can have, if you're putting out live videos, because YouTube has that option, people, as in your followers, can, contribute. Recently, they have membership options in 2025, and so on. Also, as your channel grows, if you're focused on a specific niche, let's say you create content related to taxes or finance or gaming. As your channel grows and many people come and find you, then you can get sponsorship, as you can perhaps create comparison videos, reviews, and so on. And other companies are willing to pay you. Now, because 2025 online business world is getting more competitive, if you can create your own website, then that's only smart. It's going to help people to find you from your website. Also, you can publish your YouTube videos on your website as well. And if you follow Ranker strategies for targeting keywords, then you're covering both angles. So there is many different ways to earn from YouTube in 2025. I've outlined some of them in this latest content, but the best advice that I can share with you is you need to be patient before you start seeing returns, and be consistent and don't give up. Meaning, let's say you put out content in 1 month and you have limited budget to advertise and so on. If that's the case, don't be thinking you're going to earn a decent income within 1 month. It may be 3 months, it may be 6 months. It will depend on the type of content that you create. But one way or another, even your smartphone or using YouTube apps, you have the tools necessary to create content. Be persistent and think long term, because then as your channel grows, you'll earn a decent income. I thank you for learning with Rankia, and I'll talk with you in the next video session.